What's up, guys? Today I'm doing a YouTube video with Keshawn. You know, like this thing. You'll think that this is cashew.
Wait a minute.
We're going to open up some toys.
We got a Avenger blind bag, and we got mashing.
Yeah.
Car mashing things.
I really wanted these. I could never find them in Keshawn.
The mashing things?
Yeah.
I know you both opened one.
And if I find them,
Okay, but
Dad doesn't let me get them.
but let's find the mashing things. Let's open it. This hot. Wait, let's just start with this first.
We're going like. Oh, that one. We could just do something. Oh, yes, I can. I was going like, where's the size thing? You know the size thing that helps you open them? Sticky man.
Oh my god.
Da, 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 da. Guys, comment down below all the superheroes.
I think
Okay.
there's some more in there. There should be.
Yeah, there's one more. I was just showing the people. And this one you should know. These two guys can fly. These are just hints, okay? We're going to give you a hint. These guys can both fly.
Ooh, I think.
And they don't.
Mommy, we got the same one.
Oh my god. We were watching a video. It was so funny. That's something I forgot though. Because they were doing the same thing. Okay, I'm going to give you guys a hint on this one. Smash! I didn't say all because Keshawn, you ruined it. Oh, where is he? He's camouflaging. Okay, now smash them or smash them. We're going to smash them all. Smash them all. Guys, smash you and me. You smash. Guys, comment down below what it was from. I was about to get it to show you guys, but I want to see if you guys know. Because it's one of the most popular things ever.
Wait, what did I get? Oh my god.
Show them. It feels so cool. I never had one.
I had these before. I had a SpongeBob one.
You got the main character! Lightning McQueen?
You got the main character.
Yay.
Uh-huh.
So these are the two guys that we got it. These are the two.
Where's my green one? Where's my blue one at?
Oh, I was going like. Oh, there. Wait, I think this one wasn't. This one is mine. So.
It doesn't matter which one.
Oh.
Okay, you're gonna get water damage on your phone. Don't do that.
Yeah, good idea. The fastest guy in the world.
Oh my.
Where am I? I think I'm in the middle of the desert.
Okay, guys, but actually, check out my channel because I think I made better videos now. I made better videos. I made a lot yesterday, and I made some today.
Oh, that's what good. I've been waiting for them to come.
New videos?
Huh?
New videos?
Yeah, that's why, because you was uploading videos.
Mhm.
I thought you was just had to do a lot of stuff. Let's do a little tiny play, okay? Okay, so give me my Lightning McQueen. We're going to do like a little tiny thing. You know when they play around it. Oh, hi. Whoever you are, I forgot your name from the show.
I'm Rusty Lightning McQueen. You acting like you don't know me.
Wait, what's his name again? I feel like
He's Rusty.
Oh, yep. Hi, Rusty. Hi.
I'm Rusty. You acting like you don't know me. No, you can't use that. That's mine.
Yeah. Oh, wait a minute.
Hulk smash!
No.
Hulk smash!
No, they're both still trying to help each other, like trying to defend. No, you will not hurt them. You're trying to help him to not hurt. You could get the same person if you really want.
Okay, let's just stop. Let's just
KO! I'm the winner. Round.
No, let's just stop this.
Yeah, bye-bye. Bye. Subscribe, press the thumbs up button, and see you another time. Share and check out Keshawn's channel. What's it called?
Keisha Gates.
Okay. Bye-bye.